Hello guys, today we work with the page number 121, and we have this audio where we are going to know a little bit more about these bugs.
Track 80. I'm red and black and have 2 wings and 6 legs.
I'm red and black. Have 2 wings and 6 blue legs.
I live here.
I'm lots of colors. I have 2 wings and 6 legs.
A lot of colors, 2 green wings and 6 legs.
I live here.
I'm black and strong. I have 6 legs. I live here.
Okay. He's red and he has 6 legs.
I'm hairy and I have 8 legs.
Okay, now, lo que nos dice nuestra actividad es esto. Dice, circle the insect with 6 blue legs. The insect with 6 blue legs. Vamos a encontrarlo. And then circle the insect with 2 green wings. 2 green wings. Ok, pues vamos a encontrarlo. Yo creo que yo les puedo ayudar. Miren, aquí están estas ladybugs and her legs are blue. And then we have this esta mariposa and she has 6 legs. Ok, entonces esos dos son los que tenemos. Y aparte tiene 2 green wings. Tiene esas 2 alas verdes. Bueno, eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Continuamos con estos bugs, aprendiendo un poquito más acerca de ellos. Nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Thursday. See you later, guys. Bye. Bye.